In this experiment, we will make a battery out of coins. You will need the multimeter, a penny, a nickel, one paper towel, vinegar, and a container. First, cut a few squares from the paper towel. Each square should be about the size of a penny. Put a paper towel square in the container and put a drop of vinegar on it. Put the nickel in the container and put the wet square on top of it. Put the penny on top of the square, making sure it doesn't come in contact with the nickel. Set the meter to the 200 M scale in the DSV section. Make contact to the coins with the probes. Red one to the top of the penny and black one to the side of the nickel. Observe the multimeter measuring a voltage. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.